16th note swing. You might know about this already if you know anything about the Beccaro / Bonham Purdie shuffle. If you want a video about that, the link is down here. The important part about that, and what makes it a swung 16th groove, is your hi-hat. You see, what we're doing is turning 16th notes, so 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, into triplets. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. But it's specifically only 16th notes. So a groove like this, 16th notes, turns to this. Notice how the 8th note I'm playing on this kick drum, 3 and, is remaining straight. So all your quarter notes, all your 8th notes will remain straight. This is really, really important. Because if we went down to swinging 8th notes, you'd end up with a shuffle. Which has its own je ne sais quoi, but it is not what we're after. There's no, to me, different way of counting your right hand in this. I just say 1 E-ander, but it's swung. So if you know any better ways or easier ways to count this out, feel free to leave them in the comments. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Just bear in mind also, if you're playing 16th notes, so any bass drums on the E's and the U's, they will also be swung. If you want to take this a step further and make this into a nice Bonham Purdie shuffle, all you're doing is filling in the gap between your shuffle hand in the right with a little tiny ghost note. Remembering the shuffle that we're playing up here, or swung notes, is just technically counted as a triplet. So we're playing the first and the third note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're playing the second note on the snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll go into more depth about this in the Purdie Shuffle video. Again, the link is down here.